McLaren has revealed their newest Grand Tourer, which is named GTS, to replace the existing GT. For improved everyday usability, you can now lift the nose of the car in just 4 seconds, which is twice as fast as before. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis combined with intelligent adaptive suspension and adaptive dampers with standard anti-roll bars. The cabin now features soft-grain aniline leather seats with contrast stitching, with the excellent visibility of the original GT carried across, thanks to a glass tailgate, glazed C-pillars, and rear quarter windows. You also get a 10.25-inch instrument display for vital car information, with the central infotainment display 7 inches in size. The mid-mounted twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 pumps out 14 horsepower more power than the outgoing GT. It generates 626 horsepower and 630 newton-meter of torque. The power is sent to the rear wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The 2024 McLaren GTS is available to order now. Pricing is yet to be announced, but expect an uplift over the €165,230 starting price of its GT predecessor.